How to enable undo autocorrect on Backspace in GBoard on Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus or Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. From the settings page, we then scroll down and tap on General Management. After that, tap on GBoard settings. Now in here, tap on corrections and suggestions. Then tap on auto corrections. Tap on the left hand side panel. From here, tap on undo auto correct on Backspace. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on. This will allow you to make a corrections if you are using autocorrect. So here, let's say if I want to write a word, okay, so it will automatically correct if I try to make a mistake. Okay, doesn't do it now. We have to start on a new word, permissions. So I will try to make mistakes and then tap on the space key. You can see it will automatically try to correct the word. Now if I tap on the backspace, it will use the previous word that I write. This is useful if you are trying to write a certain word in a different language, or you purposely want to misspell it, then you can simply backspace, such as the word brr. And if it try to autocorrect, you can always use backspace to fix it. Here, it doesn't fix it, so you can see it doesn't try to fix it. But if it does try to fix it, you can always tap on the backspace to use the previous word. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.